Hi, I'm Shannon, the garden girl from Georgina Garden Center. We are in the shrub department, and right here we have some Weigelias. Now, a lot of people are familiar with Weigelias, and you can get them in different colors, different sizes. This one here is Wine and Roses, so it has a dark leaf. You can get the red print, you can get minuet. There's lots of different types. Some even have a variegated leaf. And as you can see, they have trumpet-shaped flowers, which hummingbirds love. And there's actually a bee back further. We probably can't see it on the video, but there is a busy bee back in there on one of the flowers. These guys, what's neat about them is they bloom now in the spring, and then if you want to, you can go out and pinch the blooms off. So once they're done, some of them will naturally fall off, but if you do just pinch them off, what it will do is it pushes another flush of growth. So in like another month or so, you'd get another light blooming. So it won't be as heavy blooming as it is right now, but you do get another round. So it is kind of a nice added bonus to this plant. They're super low maintenance. They last for a long time. They come, like I said, in different colors. They come in different sizes. And it's just a really nice, easy, low maintenance plant to put and add into your garden.